Hello guys. I hope you're all doing well. And today I want to show you how you can use Microsoft Excel to analyze data. And within data analysis, there is where we can just use descriptive statistics. How can we solve a descriptive statistics problem in Microsoft Excel? How can we just compute mean, average, how you can just output histograms, how you can just calculate percentiles, how you can just output the frequency tables in Microsoft Excel. Guys, to do that, just pass in data. You open your Microsoft Excel and you enter data. You see here I have marks obtained in the French exam, and here I have students. Here I have students. They are now, yeah, they are 50 students, you see. There are 50 students, and here on another column, in column B, there is marks scored. There is marks scored in French exam. You see here the marks. Here there is 49. There is whatever. You can just go on and go on to find how many marks the student got or obtained in the French exam. Yeah, they just start, and as I told you, we go to data. You see here on the tab, here we shall just have file, home, insert, draw, layout, formulas, and here we go to data. We click on data. We click on data. You can see. You see here we go to data. You go to data, and then you click here to data. You click to data to see data analysis. You click to data to see data analysis, and then we go. Let's click on data. And here you see there is data analysis on the right side. On the right side, you can see there is a data analysis. There is a data analysis, and you click on data analysis to just start doing or working on your statistics, question. And here within data analysis, we shall see main things. You see there is, you can just find descriptive statistics, and this is the one you want. We just want to use this Excel just to do descriptive statistics. Sometimes it can come that you don't see data analysis here. You can just open your Excel and you don't find data analysis here. And to find it, if you don't see it here, you go to File. It means not check it. You go to File, you go to More, you go to Options, and then arriving there, you go to Add-ins. Here, you click on Add-ins, and after arriving here, you just go down here to go. You go to, just click on Go, and you just tick here. Once here is this box is not checked, it means there is no data analysis here. Just go there and check analysis tool, and you click OK. You justify, you will just immediately get data analysis here. And let's start. First of all, we are just going to see how we can just find the summary of this data, how you can find the mean, the average, the sum, whatever. Yeah, you go to data. As I told you, you go to data, you go to data analysis, you choose descriptive statistics. You see here there is a descriptive statistics, you can see it here. You just choose descriptive statistics, and after choosing this, you click OK. You click OK, and after clicking OK, you see here there is here there is a box where you have to tick. You see here, you can see we have input range. Take care of this input range, and there is output range, And also here down there is a summary statistics. You have also to tick this. There is summary statistics. The input range is where the data are. Where you have your data, you have to select where is the data, and after just selecting the data, it will just put the range here, and the range must be locked. To lock the range, as we have seen the previous formulas in the formulas that we have seen in the previous video, I've seen that sometimes we lock the range, and to lock the range, we just use dollar sign. And here the data are just arranged in the columns. Here they are grouped by columns. You can just see if there are any laws. You can check here, and now you click. After doing all that, you just click OK. Just to choose the output range, you just select where you just want to your data, your table will be output. Let me go here to select the data. I click first of all here. I click where is the data. I can go, and once I put the title there, the quoted title as a title, it will be my header. It will be the header of my table. I just have now the input range, and now the output range. Where do I need to put the data at this table? Let me just check here, and maybe let me click here. Maybe I just want my data to be here, and then the summary statistics is there checked. If it is not checked, you check it, and now I click OK. If you just need confidence level mean, you can just put it. If you just want to put the data on new worksheet, you just check here, but I just want to put output here, and I selected the range, and I click OK. You see, after clicking OK, now I have the summary score. Here there is summary statistics. There is summary. I can just edit here. As you see, you can edit, you can put summary if you want. You can just say there is summary data or summary score. You can see it here. I have the summary now, and here in the summary, what do I have? I have mean, I have standard error. There is everything here, and even and down here there is a count. There is total number of students. We have 50 students. Guys, you see how it is easy. And here there is maximum number. The maximum number here is as you see is 68, and the minimum number is 30. If you have a very long list of students where just it is very hard or complicated to find the minimum and the max, you can just use this way. And here there is mode, there is median, there is mean. You can see there is kurtosis. Here there is skewness, there is range, there is standard deviation. You see here we have everything in this summary table. And now we are not done with our descriptive statistics. We can go on and on to find now to output the frequency table on histogram. In Microsoft Excel, there is no function called frequency table. And to do that, we just go to histogram. We go to data, and we go to data analysis, and we go down here to histogram. And as you see, as you know, once we are just going to output the histogram, we must have the range. We must have the range from this number to this number. And in this descriptive statistics, we call them lower bin and upper bin. Let me just type them, just lower bin, and upper bin. Before just output the histogram, you just have to just first of all to put those lower bin and upper bin, and to allow the PC to compute the range. And here in the lower bin, In the lower bin, as you saw here in this summary, there is still that the minimum number is 30. I can go from 30 to 68. You see, and now here I can just start with 30 as the lower number. I can put the range, maybe let me put 5. I can now say 35, and the PC knows this exactly that what I'm doing. I can scroll down up to maybe 70 because I have 68, and this is the lower bin. What will be the upper bin? I just want to compute the histogram from 30. The range is 30 to 35. Maybe I just want to go to from 30 to 35, from 35 to 40. This is why what I want. This is where I just want to be the upper bin. Let me just scroll down. Excel is very wise. I can go down here up to 70. You can see. I now have the upper bin and lower bin. And let me just go there to data. I go to data. I go to data analysis. I go to histogram here down. I click OK. And as you see, they first of all ask me to input range. Where is the data? Let me go there to where is the data. I go to data, input range. I select my data here from the first data column, the low to the first data cell to the last one. Here now have the range. And now what do I need now? I just want to select the bin range. The bin range, and within this descriptive statistics, we do not select the lower bin. We only select the upper bin. You select the upper bin, and Excel exactly will know the lower bin. And now let me just put the cursor here and select the upper bin. I selected the upper bin, and now here I go, and where will be the output range? The output range, maybe I just want my data to be here. Let me just put my cursor here. I just want the data to be here, and I click before clicking OK. You have just to see what you just want to output. Here, just need to chart. You just check here. If it is not a check and it is not checked, you can check here. And here, I can just put the cumulative percentage if I want. But if you don't want them, you can just uncheck. Here, just a cumulative percentage. Let me check, and there I click OK. You see now here I have the frequency table. My frequency table here comes with histogram. You see here I have the histogram, and here I have the bin, and as you know I have the total number of frequency. I have 50 students. You can even do the sum to verify if you want. Sum I can just add from here to here because this is 0, and here I can see I have 50 students. This is the frequency, and here I have the histogram. You see, I have my histograms here. I can resize from here to here. You see, I can go on and on resizing. I can even change it. I can go to chart. I can format. You see, I can design to chart design. I can change the chart type. You see, I can change it. If I want it to look like this, if I want it to be like if I just want it to be like column ones here, I can just use this one. I can select this one. I can select this one. You can select whatever. It can depend on which histogram is favorite for you. You can just click OK, and you see now has changed. You can go there and back, and you just change the chart type. I can select this one. You can just select this one. You can just check whatever. The next thing is that you have your histogram built in the way you want, and here you can click OK, and you see this one, the orange, it is the cumulative, but the frequency, the histogram, you see you have the frequency and the cumulative percentage. And here remember that we have here your frequency table. You can just put it the title here. This is the frequency table. the frequency table. This is my frequency table. You see, you can just highlight this. This is my frequency table. Can italicize it too. And here I have my histogram. You can copy it anywhere. You can just click here to edit. If you just want to, you see the axis here, you have frequency, you have bin. I can just edit if you want. You can edit. There is data labels. You can put them there if you want. You can error bars. You can just add grid lines. You see if you want them, those grid lines. But if you don't want, you just have to, you can remove them. If you want them, you can just edit whatever you want. But you already have your frequency table, and this frequency table comes with a histogram. There is no function for frequency table. And now, as we are running again here, I see there is something that is missing. You have all of things here, but there is things that there is called the percentile in statistics. You just know how to calculate the percentile using formulas. But let me now show you how you can just calculate also the percentile. How to calculate the percentiles in Microsoft Excel. And to find, maybe it comes that you just need percentile, maybe P10, percentile 10, it means 10%. This is 10%. You can maybe need P20, and you just maybe you need to P25. Then put as much as possible, P25, and just P50. You can have P50. You can have, for example, P 75% of P75. And as you know, the percentile of 50 is median, and I can even put 90, 98, whatever. You can just put whatever you want depending on the percentile that you want to calculate. 90, I can even put 99, 99, and this means what? Here just have to 20%. This is 20%. This is 25%, and I can hit in just enter to fill here down. Now I have my percentiles, and to find them there, what to do to find your percentile, you put equal sign here, and you go to function, or you can go to formula. You can go to formula. You just here you have percentile, but if you don't find it here, just type percentile and you click it, go to, and I click OK. I click OK to have my percentile, and there I need to put the array. Exactly, this is the range. This is the range. The array here can go from 49 here up to down to 57. I can see, and here K. What is the value of your percentile? You remember that we have a percentile that we want to calculate. Here just need 10%. I need 10%, and now I can click OK. You see, I can click OK, and as you know here, to make it accurate, you see once I scroll down here, I can just find an accurate value. Let me just lock my formula. I can go to F here. I can just, if fx a function, I can just go to percentile. I can just put the array as you have seen. I just want to lock the formula to scroll down. I cannot go to 10 to 25 to 20. It's tiring if you have too much things to calculate. And I go here, put K. I have to lock this formula. To lock here, just you have to use the dollar sign. I put the dollar sign here, and I can lock here too, the dollar sign, and I can go here, lock this cell too, dollar sign, and also I put dollar sign here, and I lock now my formula. And here I just put I select where is my percentile. It's a 10%, and as you see here, I have locked my formulas. You see, just use $sign to rock. You see, you can see it. And then what I'm going to do is to click OK. I click OK to find my percentile here. The 10% of the data is 37, and I can now scroll down. I can scroll down up to here. You see, as we have seen there in the table summary up there, you see what is the median. The median is 59, and I told you that the percentile of 50 is median. You see, now you can just see it here. The median here is 49, and now guys, this is how we can just use this is the general way. It is a summary of how you can just use descriptive statistics in Microsoft Excel. Guys, if you enjoy the video, please share to reach more people to know about how to calculate, how to use descriptive statistics in Microsoft Excel. You can share, you can just hit the subscribe button to support our work and to see more video like this one in the future. Guys, see you next time and enjoy the video.